I want to show you the Cuby house and all features there. For example, this is magnetic facade. You can change it yourself when you want, and you can change different type of decor here. Here you can find the house facade. This is engineering stuff that's, hide all engineering communication inside, air conditioning and so on. And you can change the shape of that. And at the night, there's sort of good lighting inside, and it's a different. You can change the shape of that, the shape in these angles here. Now I will show to you what is down here. This is a foundation, and based on this foundation, it's also modular one. All facilities come into the house here, and a drainage from the roof is going from inside the posts here, like that. And these piles, this one is installed very fast. In 1 or 2 days we can do it, and that's why this foundation can be built in 2 days approximately. Here, this is a terrace that can be used in summer. This is a fire pit, and the chair, small waterfall, and now I will show you Cuby house inside. For example, here, this is also the terrace and the balcony outside.